Hey guys, so as you can tell, my PEBL is in a bit of a disarray right now. I've got things torn apart. The motor on this side, the motor sprocket is okay, and it was spinning the chain, but when the chain was actually on the sprocket on the wheel, this is the piece that came off, and as you can see, some of the holes on here have been sheared, and this was actually spinning on the axle for the wheel. So here's the O-ring. And here's the disc brake that was that everything was all attached to, and the holes on the disc brake look okay, and the holes on the O-ring yeah, some of these look okay. But, yeah, anyway, I will keep you guys updated and posted, and, as things go, as I get the, bike put back together. And there's the motor chain right there, and, the motor chain ended up being fine, although it could have been a little bit loose, so... Anyway, again, I'll keep you guys posted, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.